If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Photoshop lets you save files you open using many different types of file formats. You can also export copies of a file in Photoshop in different ways. To save changes to a file in Photoshop and attempt to preserve its existing file format, select File, Save from the menu bar. If possible, the changes are saved to the existing file, overwriting it. If it is not possible to save it using the existing file format, then a Save As dialog box appears, where you must then choose a new file format and name for the file to continue to save the changes. Alternatively, to save an opened file in Photoshop as a different file type or change its save name or save location, select File, Save As from the menu bar to open the Save As dialog box. To change the file type of the file, select a choice from the Save As Type dropdown. The Photoshop file type choice is recommended, as this is the default file type for Photoshop and saves your editing changes. However, you can select another file type if needed. To save the ICC color profile with the file in Photoshop, ensure the ICC profile checkbox in the Color section at the bottom of the dialog box is checked. If needed, to save the file as a file type that doesn't appear in the Save As Type list, click the Save a Copy button to instead open the Save a Copy dialog box, which we will discuss momentarily. If saving a local copy of the file, then use the Save As dialog box to select the local network file's save location. Alternatively, to save a copy of the file to your cloud documents, if available for the selected file type, click the Save to Cloud Documents button to close the Save As dialog box, and instead open the Save to Creative Cloud dialog box. You can then select a cloud folder into which to save the file if desired. Conversely, to save a local copy if using the Save to Creative Cloud dialog box, click the On Your Computer button within it to close it and open the Save As dialog box. To name the file, type a file name into either the File Name field in the Save As dialog box or the Save As field in the Save to Creative Cloud dialog box. To finish saving the file after selecting its file type, save location, and save name, then click the Save button towards the lower right corner of either dialog box. As mentioned earlier in this lesson, to instead save a copy of a file in Photoshop in a different file format that doesn't appear in the Save As dialog box if needed, either select File, Save a Copy from the menu bar, or click the Save a Copy button in the Save As dialog box to open the Save a Copy dialog box. Then use this dialog box the same way as the Save As dialog box. If needed, check or uncheck the additional options to save for the selected file type in the Save section at the bottom of the Save a Copy dialog box. This section provides some additional save option flexibility unavailable in the Save As dialog box. For example, if saving a copy of a PSD file as a TIFF, you can choose to save the layers or not by checking or unchecking the Layers checkbox in the Save section when using the Save a Copy dialog box. When finished, save the file in the Save a Copy dialog box as usual. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.